Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, loan so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Sa kawai pat kamat kebalai keren hakani kejelang kadai halor ke externally edits project. Ki project ki ba on baitingka hakadur jongkaram da kitnat baitingka ki ba he akapertai. Ke baju baitingka prapo na kispa na kajinglan hakaba pentrai kinu ki kampenroi. Kat ba arpo na kispa pan haban buria na kapelapisa jongka sarkar jela. Kamang tingka na kamenta ban pentrai kam ya ki kampenroi lengba ke Meghalaya Integrated Transports Project kan kot adu $1 million. Bad hadin ke jingata sani ba halor kini kapang ke kanhun menteri hakani ke jelang ru kelas jam ya karai ban menjor ya kini ke jing terua.
The MITP has been formulated with the objective to improve road connectivity, ropeways and inland waterways for transportation while keeping in view the tourism opportunities in the state. This program is also expected to bring about better access to markets, ease traffic congestion and to promote socio-economic development, overall socio-economic development. So I would like to inform you that the Department of Economic Affairs, Government of India, Ministry of Finance had approved the project for external assistance of $300 million to be sought in two phases of $150 million and 150 into two, that is. So totaling $300 million. So in view of this, the approval of the cabinet was sought for the implementation of the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project in the state. This was discussed and the cabinet has approved the implementation of the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project. The amount of borrowing that a state can take in terms of availing of loans. So as per this FRBM, the government cannot exceed 3% of borrowings or loans of 3% of the GSDP of the state. So the fact that sometimes the government needs to borrow additional loans to tide over certain commitments or to tide over developmental programs, the cost involved in that. So therefore this relaxation will help the government to break that ceiling of 3% and go beyond 3% to 4.1, so that we can take more borrowings and tide over whatever deficit we may have in terms of bridging gaps for developmental projects. EAP's external aided projects are projects the funding for which is sought by external agencies, be it the ADB, be it World Bank and other such agencies, right, financial institutions. Now the funding pattern for these projects is basically that 80% of the project cost is the external assistance, that maybe it's ADB, maybe it's World Bank, that it depends. So 80% of the project cost is the external assistance. That 80% also, 90% is of that 80% is in the form of a grant and 10% is in the form of a loan, which the government is taking and the government needs to repay that back. It is this loan is also at a very, very nominal rate of interest, and the remaining 20%, since 80% is external assistance, the remaining 20% of the project cost, that will have to be borne by the state government. That is, the government of Meghalaya will bear the cost of 20% of the project cost. The rest of the 80% is by the external by means of external assistance, out of which 90% is grant and 10% is loan. But for now, the cabinet, it has been placed for the consideration of the cabinet that this is a project, and for this this much money is sought. Therefore, the cabinet has to take a policy decision. The fact that yes, we will go for externally aided projects for this particular project.